Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, आप सब कैसे हैं? I'm doing absolutely fine. I hope you guys are doing all right too. It's so raining outside over here right now, and temperatures are absolutely good. Temperatures are changing. The directions are changing. Hopefully, the next week is a good one. So I thought to myself how to change the direction of the videos sometimes. Now I want to give you an overview. I will be coming up with an overview sometimes, giving you a projection, an idea how the markets are, and will be letting you know the industries and other avenues where we can invest. We are mostly talking about the good stocks, those stocks which are more in news, more in demand, or more in the light. But we are not talking about the underdogs, or we are not talking about those ones which can multiply the wealth which we are looking to do. So hopefully I'll try to change the trajectory of these videos, and will try to give you an overview idea with my stock picks also, which will be for the weekly basis. And I hope you guys enjoyed the last week as well. And the stocks have performed absolutely nice. I really enjoyed it last week. It was all good. S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, it all went good. But there are ups and downs always. Yeah, nothing can be in a straight trajectory, but hopefully things will be getting better. As I was saying, I want to show you the market and the outlook of the market, how it is. Let's come to the screen and let's see how things are rolling on. If you see over here, I am at Finviz map. It's a map which defines the industries, which defines the companies, which has performed good, which company has done well, which has not done well. So if you see the map right now, you see the FAANG stocks, basically Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, where they have done absolutely well. Facebook also, they have done absolutely wonderful. The technology sector has been good, and this map gives you a complete idea how things are rolling around within the week, and how things will be changing. If you want to see a little bit ahead, you can dig deep into this chart, and you can find out the companies, you can see the companies. Now for me, the most interesting thing was looking up at the bottom, over here, the financials, the financial sector, banks, basically. They will be giving out their earning starting next week, and things are really changing slowly and gradually for the banking sector. They are hoping to get the increase in the interest rate, so they can increase their profitability, they can increase their margins. But in the current scenario, when the last time they gave out their earning, most of them went down, and I assume they will be going down. But for the moment, that would be. But banks are in the line where they will be going up ahead. If you see JPM, BACC, WFC, these are JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Citibank, Wells Fargo. The list is going on, and majorly, if you see, it's in a very deep green. That means it has like up 2% approximately right now. And starting next week, when the earnings will be coming out, it will be performing very good. I hope things will be changing for the banking sector. They will be going a dip down after the earnings, but if you catch the rally, you might get 2 to 3% out of it. Now, after the banks, if you look up at the technology side, Microsoft also did pretty well. It went 5.5%. It has gone to a new high this time. Also, if you see Google, they have also gone on a new high. It's 2270. When I last saw Google like a couple of months ago, it was in 1700s, 1800s, but now it has really gained up. So if you are looking to invest in industries, or you want to have an industrial play, you can always utilize these maps. Try to find out the companies you want to invest in, see their trajectory, try to research about the stocks, and this is how it goes. The other concerning part for me is the energy sector. all this energy is going down because of the lockdowns, because of the situations going around worldwide. This is really hampering the acceleration of the energy stocks like ExxonMobil, Chevron, like Marathon Oil, and other companies which are listed in the energy section. But this one will be changing as soon as the environments get settled down a little bit further outside in Europe and in Asia and in the Middle East. It will be getting a good hit, and it will be getting profitable back again. But yet right now it is a little bit on the bearish side, and I hope things will be changing pretty soon. Let's begin the journey of our weekly stock picks, which I'm bringing it. Stay tuned. My first stock pick this week is Palantir. I know I picked it up last week also, but this time also in this week I'm bullish on it. But there is a very good reason to be bullish on Palantir. ARK Invest has already bought in a million shares on Thursday. That's one sign. The next one, keep watching.
First, for the first time since World War II, the United States' technical predominance, which undergirds both our economic and our military competitiveness, is under severe threat by the People's Republic of China. Nick Burns, who is in his confirmation hearing, or Bill Burns, I'm sorry. Bill Burns, in his confirmation hearing as the director of CIA, said that in the strategic competition with China, technology competition is the central pillar. And the AI Commission agrees totally with that. The second broad thought is within this technological competition, the single most important technology that the United States must master is artificial intelligence and all of its associated technologies. Now, we believe, we view AI much like Thomas Edison viewed electricity. He said, it is a field of fields. It holds the secrets which will reorganize the life of the world. Now, it sounds like a little hyperbole, but we actually believe that. It is a new way of learning, which will change everything. It will help us utilize quantum computing better. It will help us in health. It will help us in finance. It will help us in military competition. It is truly a field of fields.
As you saw, this was the press briefing from Pentagon just about 2 days ago. They want to increase the national security, and they want to increase all the parts of it. Rather than just being in artificial intelligence, it all other components and all other technological advancements which the United States have to do in competition with other countries, they are willing to do it. And this opens a lot of doors for a lot of companies which will be coming out, and I guess Palantir is one of it, because Palantir is always going after government contracts in different countries. And if we see Palantir itself, Palantir has already gone up a lot of in contracts with a lot of United States securities and companies like that, which are governed by the federal government. I assume Palantir will be doing absolutely good, because the new contract which they have won in the new nuclear section, which is $8.9 million, that will be playing its part. I am very bullish on Palantir. I assume Palantir will be absolutely performing good in the coming week. If we see Palantir's chart, which was on Friday, how the company performed, it started low. It started on 2342, but it closed on 2404. Palantir came up, after market as well. They have collectively 2.69%, and this is a pretty bullish sign, because that it has pushed back its support level of 23, and I assume this will be a very good projective sign. 2 days ago, the press conference, the further they have announced that their increase in earning and increase in revenue is approximately like 30% ish. So I am assuming when there is also a demo day coming on on 14th of April, which will be the changing point of Palantir's trajectory. Arc is heavily invested. I am completely invested in Palantir. My whole portfolio right now is of Palantir, honestly. Just to let you know. And next week I'm just waiting for 14th, the demo day, and then I will be changing my trajectory to be more bullish and be more invested in Palantir, just because the now May 17th, May 5, sorry, May 5, when they will be announcing their earning report, they have already increased 30% revenue. And that, based on that, and based on the contracts which will be coming down the line a couple of weeks more after this press conference, I can see them absolutely going up to the moon. My second stock pick for the week is a company called named Fubo. Fubo Entertainment. Fubo, is one of the underdogs. It performed well in the last couple of months. It went down too much, but right now I am pretty bullish as it has changed its trajectory, and it's the only company which is giving live streaming of sports all over the world. So this is one of the best spots to be in if you are a sports lover. If you have used Roku or Amazon or other streaming services, Fubu is just for sports, and it will be bringing out a lot of events all over the world directly to your screen. Talking about Fubu, let's dig in on its website so we can see what the website looks like. If you see over here, streaming live, so live and sports, stream live TV and sports. So sorry for my goof up over here, but you can watch the DVR. No contracts, no commitments, everything is there. You can try your free trial. A lot of things will be coming in. It's a big company. It's coming up. It is absolutely available on all platforms. You can try the application. I hope you will be loving it. This is the website of Fubo, and it is absolutely good. I have invested in Fubo, and other friends of mine have also invested in Fubo at times. I am pretty bullish on Fubo because Fubo has gained something special, which I'll be showing you down the line over here. Let's look at the chart of Fubo. How it looks like. If you see over here the chart of Fubu, 6 months ago it was $9.71. It went to a extreme high of $62, but it came down. Then it went back up to 50 yards, and now it is almost down to 23.30. It closed on 23.30, but if you see in the last 6 months, it has gained 136% plus over here. But right now, currently, it is on 23.31. My expectation for Fubu is approximately 10% within this week, or maybe a little bit higher, because they are having such a humongous contract coming their way, or already they have bagged in onto that, which I want you to see. So the thing I want to show you is on Yahoo Finance, Fubo TV. Coming to the screen over here, Fubo TV to stream South American World Cup qualifiers. They have came in a stream in exclusive agreement to the Qatar World Cup 2020 qualifying matches to of South American Football Confederation. Now that's one of the big things, and the new partnership with one of FIFA's 6 continental confederations. Fubo TV will be live streaming 70 matches featuring both English and Spanish commentary. The company has also acquired the re-air and highlight rights. This is one of the good news, because if one section, one part of the FIFA comes in, then the other will be following through as well. And other than that, 2 weeks ago, Fubo also had the contract for Chicago Cubs as well. The Marquee Network, they acquired that also, so that play will also be featured on Fubo live stream. Now this is wonderful company. If you are a sports lover, I am a sports lover. I want to watch sports, but I want Fubu to accelerate in different sports also. And I assume they will be bringing a lot more sports than we can expect. Now, coming to this, I assume Fubu will be having a good play, because it is also being pushed by redditors as well. And when redditors are after something other than the technical and the news, they are the smart people over there. I assume they have given a lot of push to those stocks which were down the line, but they have bring it back up, just like GME, AMC. Now Fubu is the one they are pushing a bit, and I assume with redditors behind this, with these newses behind this stock next week is a good one. I hope you like the channel. I hope you will enjoy these inputs. I will be trying to change my trajectories on my videos. I want to do it in a different way where everyone can have a benefit of that, but I will be coming in different directions, different plays. I'll try to speak on options also. I will be coming down with a play in options. I showed one 2 weeks ago with Palantir. I'm still holding those because I took it till 21st of May. So these changes which are coming right now, they will be giving a good boost to those contracts which I already have, and I already showed it to you guys. Now, other than that, I have a couple of more contracts of Palantir which I'll be speaking about much later. Let the demo day pass, and we will speak about that. I might be able to show you something on that as well. Kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel. Ask questions, do comments. Let me know if you need any information on any of the companies. I will be here. I'm around. Let's do it together. Take care. Have a good night.